Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS5 that's stuck on safe mode. Place your PS5 on a flat surface and make sure it's fully powered off. If the PS5 light is on, hold the power button until it completely turns off. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of the console. Wait for at least 30 seconds to discharge any remaining power. While waiting, check the PS5 power cord for any visible damage or bends. Also inspect the PS5 HDMI cable and both ends for dust or looseness. Reconnect the HDMI cables securely into the PS5's HDMI out port. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable firmly into your TV's HDMI input. Now reconnect the PS5 power cable directly to a wall outlet, not a power strip. Plug the DualSense controller into the PS5 using a USB-C cable. Press and hold the power button on the PS5 for about 7 seconds. You should hear one beep right away, and another after a few seconds. That second beep means your PS5 has successfully entered safe mode. On screen, you'll see a list of safe mode options for your PS5. Using the controller, scroll down and select Restart PS5. Wait and see if your PS5 restarts normally into the home screen. If your PS5 stays stuck in safe mode, go back to safe mode again. This time, select Change Resolution from the PS5 Safe Mode menu. Choose Restart, and let the PS5 boot into a lower resolution. Check if your PS5 now starts properly. If not, go back to safe mode again. Select Update System Software from the PS5 Safe Mode list. Choose Update Using Internet if your PS5 is connected online. Allow the PS5 to download and install the latest firmware update. This can fix software bugs that keep your PS5 stuck on safe mode. After the update, your PS5 should restart automatically. If the PS5 still boots into safe mode, return once more to the safe mode screen. Select Restore Default Settings. Don't worry, this only resets system settings, not your saved games. Wait for the PS5 to complete the process and restart. If safe mode still appears, go to the next option in the list. Select Rebuild Database. This will scan and clean up corrupted PS5 data that might cause safe mode loops. The process might take several minutes, depending on your PS5 storage size. Once done, the PS5 should automatically reboot back to normal mode. If your PS5 still won't exit safe mode, there's one final step to try. Download the latest PS5 system software file from PlayStation's official website. On your computer, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive. Inside it, make another folder named Update in all capital letters. Save the downloaded PS5 firmware file inside that update folder. Insert the USB drive into one of the PS5's front USB ports. Go back to safe mode and select Reinstall System Software. Choose the USB option when prompted. Your PS5 will now completely reinstall the system software. This will erase everything, so make sure you've backed up your data first. Wait for the installation to finish. Do not turn off the PS5 during this process. Once done, the PS5 will reboot and start setup as if it's brand new. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your PS5 setup. When you reach the home screen, safe mode should no longer appear. Test your PS5 by launching a game or app to confirm normal operation. If everything works smoothly, you've fixed your PS5 successfully. If the issue returns, it might be due to a failing SSD or power issue. In that case, contact PlayStation support for professional service. Avoid unplugging your PS5 suddenly while it's on. That often triggers safe mode. Always shut down your PS5 using the on-screen power option. Keep your PS5 updated regularly to prevent future startup errors. Also, make sure your PS5 has proper ventilation and is dust-free. A clean and updated PS5 runs more reliably and avoids safe mode loops. Thanks for watching this PS5 troubleshooting guide here on Tech Vibes. Subscribe and stay tuned for more real repair videos that keep your PS5 running perfectly.